What's up guys, today's video is going to be about this PC build, and if you're new to my channel, normally I make videos about home theater products, video equipment, projectors, and I'm doing this build just for me, myself personally, so then I can make more videos for you guys and hopefully you enjoy this video. And all of these items guys, I bought them myself. None of these items were sent to me, so if you are looking to buy these items on, let's say like Amazon or Best Buy, wait for the right time, wait for the right day, because I saved a lot of money just by waiting on the, I think it was the Amazon Prime Day deal. I think I saved about like 500, 600 Canadian dollars. So I'll post the links in the description below. Let's get right into it.